Hello, in this video I will review the stochastic higher highs and lower lows indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us determine and identify the market trend and identify overbought and oversold zones or areas, and also provides us with signals to effectively enter and exit trades, such as you can see, this indicator consists of two lines. If the blue line is above...
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
The orange line, it indicates a bullish trend. And if the orange line is above the blue line, it indicates a bearish trend. Also, there are three limits. It shows us the levels 10, 50, and 60, which we can adjust in the settings. When the orange line is above the 60 level, it indicates an oversold area. And when the blue line is above the level, it indicates an overbought area. The way to enter a trade can also be to enter a sell trade in the buy zone and enter a buy trade in the sell zone. We can also set the TP in such a way that we exit the trade with a reverse signal. For the stop loss, we can consider the swing points. For example, for a sell trade, we take the last swing highs into account. And for a buy trade, we consider the last swing low as the stop loss. Now, let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option is the calculation period of this indicator. The more we increase the value, the smoother the line becomes, and the changes in trends and overbought oversold conditions are less frequent. For example, I'm increasing this number here. You see, we have a smoother ride, and the flow changes later. We can identify these 7 lines known as high levels, thresholds, and low levels. These were the 7 lines on the chart, and our signaling is done using these high levels. Now we can choose these values optimally based on the symbol we are trading and the time frame we are in. If this option is true, it will send us an alert in the overbought and oversold zones. If this option is true, it will send the signal on the open candle. And if it is a fast, it will wait until the candle closes and then send the alert. This option, if true, displays the alert as a message on the screen. This option, if true, also sends the alert as an email to our mailbox. The last option, if true, also displays the alert as an audio message. You can see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Together we will see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.